Hi guys, welcome to our new factory, and this is our camper trailer factory. Also, as you can see, and this is our one of the camper trailer, our real folding camper trailer. So, as you can see, and we have many compartments about this camper trailer. This is our safety chain, and then here are the safety chain and the jacket wheel to keep the trailer safe when camping. And this is our connector. We have 3 standard connectors for your choice. US standard, Australia standard, or EU standard as well. So you can choose your available standard. And then we also this is our winch, and to move the and adjust the weight height of the trailer about the top. Also, here is the front box. You can put some stuff when you need when camping, and then you can open it and close it. It's okay. Here is the gas bottle holder. You can put oil can or gas can. It's also available. Okay, let's look at here. Here is a big storage room. You can slide out and then put a refrigerator. Also put some stuff. It's okay, and then close. Okay, let's come to our slide-out kitchen. Slide-out kitchen also included in this camper trailer. It is a standard compartment. This is bonus stuff with pneumatic standard and water sink. Can movable. This button and then close. This is our water inlet, and get some water to this camper trailer. The water can underneath of the camper trailer, and this is our outside studio. You can play music when camping or relaxing. Okay, let's come to the inside of the camper trailer. Okay, welcome to this part inside of the real folding camper trailer. So as you can see, this is a big bed. You can sleep 3 to 4 people, and then you can see the materials is big queen size mattress. It's very convenient and comfortable. And then as you can see, about the top roof tent, you can see the support rod can keep the top roof tent very safe and stable. And also we have controller and to keep control this camper trailer when using. And also here is a storage room. You can slide out and then close, so it is very convenient and comfortable.